Imagine went to go buy tire for your other vehicle, right? Come back home, find out you have a flat. Jack up the tire. Because it's a Tesla, it's hard to rotate the tire. So we come in the car on. Right? Car on, right? Boom. Since car on, press the brake. Put it in neutral. The trunk open, so let's accept the risk. Put it in neutral. Let go of the brakes. Try to come out the car. Car go back in park. So to get around that, where you can rotate your tire, go here, go to service, go to car wash mode, enter car wash mode, press to put on the brakes, put the car in drive, accept the risk if your trunk or door or anything open, put the car in drive, then you hit this right here, and now the car will roll, guys. The car will roll. And that's how. Oh guys, I forget to show you, but I will put it in the front of the video and also in the back of the video. So you're gonna need this. If you have a Tesla, you're gonna need this. I'll leave a link in the description. I still have it under here. Just make sure you get it out once you're done, and that's it. That's where you put it. Because if you look underneath the car, it's all flat, and you need this. All right, you can see the imprint of the bottom of the car on this one. So anyway, you're gonna need this. I had bought 4, but I give 2 to my sister and I just keep 2 to myself. Cause she bought a Tesla. We both bought a Tesla at the same time. All right, peace out. So you can spin the tire. You see? And find your leak, which I have right here. You can see the bubble coming out, and it's a very, very tiny hole. So now I gotta spin the wheel to about there where I have some leverage to get it. I might have to just push that in because I ain't no way I'm gonna be able to take that out. So I'm gonna push that in. So I'll spin the wheel to where I think I will have enough leverage to push it. And now we gotta go back in the car. Now we're in the car. We're gonna exit that mode. So once we exit that mode, you hear that's the electric parking brake come on. So now we can't turn the wheel no more, which is good. Now I need to see if I can take that out, which I doubt it because it's so small. I might just have to push it straight through like this. I'm gonna try to take it out first. Seems like I talk too quick, guys. I can get it out. It's coming. That's a long chain. So now we gotta make the hole bigger. This is what we got out there. I don't know where that comes from. And because it's EV tire, it's gonna be hard to push in. But we need to make the hole bigger so we can get the plug to go in. Alright, so watch me fight with this now. Alright. Because it's an EV tire, so it's gonna be more hotter. The rubber this is gonna be more stiffer than a regular tire, so that's why. Because EV tire built different for weight. Because you know, EV is heavier than a regular car. Just gotta take your time, work your way in, like that. Oh. No, I'm still fighting. I'm gonna go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. You can do this too. In, out. Alright, now we... Alright, so now we have it. It's not too soft, so it's best to do it when you have enough air in the tire, because if you do it when it's soft, it's gonna make it difficult too. Alright, so you wanna get this ready. Do it back like that. We wanna get some lube. Alright, so we're gonna get the lube going. That should do it. Lube it up real nice. Alright, so alright, let's do this. Whew. It's a workout, guys, so you better have some good core, or you can just take the wheel off, which I don't intend taking the wheel off. Okay, so now we got it in. We're gonna push it in some more. Like that, we're just gonna rotate it. I don't know why we rotate it, because that's just a bad habit from me. And then we just push and pull on this. Oh. And there it is. Tire is plugged. Make sure it's not leaking. Double checking our work. And success. Alright, so that's success. Oh. Now we gotta pump the tire. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so we have our pump. I bought this from Amazon, guys, and when I tell you this is quick, I use it to pump my motorcycle tires too. And you can, it's best to run it directly off the battery of the car, but this is a Tesla, so when you plug this in the cigarette lighter, when I plug it in the cigarette lighter on my other car, it does not run as powerful as when I plug it in the Tesla, because the other cars support 12 volts, but this is 16 volts on the Tesla. The Tesla pushes 16 volts, so it's more than enough to push the draw from this. But if you connect this on your battery of your a regular car right here, it should be good. All right, so we'll come around here. You can see this right here. We're just gonna plug this in. See, you get lights right there. We need to set it to 42, because 42 psi, that's what the Tesla use. And then we're gonna pump our tire to 42 psi. And now is a good time to like go around and check all your tires pressure to make sure your tire pressure is up to par. So I'm gonna do that. And it's cut off automatically too, so I'm gonna just set up this, and then basically I screw this into this for a little extension, which I really don't need the extension because it's right next to the wheel. But yeah. All right guys, so it's supposed to be at 42. You can see once you put on, once you connect this right here, right? All right guys, so I'll connect this right here, come to here, So once I connect it, it's gonna read the tire pressure that's in the vehicle, which is gonna be right here. You can see it's 25, and remember I set it to 42. So now this is a light. They have a light on it too. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can get one. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description from Amazon, because this is where I get this one from. It's not an odds, but it's real good, so I'm just gonna put it in there. Alright, so once you set that, you're gonna hit this on. So to the 0 is off, and then the 1 is on. So now it's on. You can see it's pumping and reading the tire pressure at the same time. And once it reaches, you see how fast it's going up, guys. Look at it. Look how fast it's going up. That's why I like it. It's pumping really fast. And coming in nice little carry case if you want to walk around with it. I just leave it in my garage most of the time, and that works. And the max PSI can go up to is 150. So this can pump whatever tire you have, whether truck tire, car tire, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's gonna push it to wherever you want it to. So it can go up to 150. And you see, it's still going. It's slow down at the end because they don't want to pass the correct PSI. So you don't, it's slow down at the end. And now we have 42, and then it's going to cut off any second or any minute. And it's real time. I'm not going to cut or edit this part of the video. I just want to show you guys how long it takes to really pump this tire up. And there you go. You reach the correct PSI, and then boom, take this off. That's it. You pack it up away, and that's how you plug your tire. And so if you have a car, I'm gonna leave a kit. I'm gonna leave a little kit. If you have a car, you're gonna need, if you have a car or a motorcycle, you need this pump off the rip. That's one. And then you're gonna need tire plug, so you can plug your own tire if you have the core strength or the strength to do it. Or you can back it up somewhere close to like a wall or something, and use the wall to push towards it. You don't need if you don't have a jack, that's fine. You can have somebody in the car or you can just roll the car little by little, and you can go from there. But I have a jack, so I use it. That's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And then once I get in the car, start it up, drive off, the TPMS light gonna come off, and I'll be done with that part of it. So yeah, that's it. Peace out. Oh guys, I forget to show you, but I will put it in the front of the video and also in the back of the video. So you're gonna need this. If you have a Tesla, you're gonna need this. I'll leave a link in the description. I still have it under here. Just make sure you get it out once you're done, and that's it. That's where you put it. Because if you look underneath the car, it's all flat, and you need this. All right, you can see the imprint of the bottom of the car on this one. So anyway, you're gonna need this. I had bought 4, but I give 2 to my sister and I just keep 2 to myself. Cause she bought a Tesla. We both bought a Tesla at the same time. All right, peace out.